Assalamualaikum friends, I'm Bubbly.
And I'm Bubbly's Tota Mittu. Mittu Tota, Mittu Tota.
Ammi has asked me to gather ande, amrood, aloo and aam because she wants to make ande, aloo ka salan, amrood ka sharbat and aam ki chutney for the guest coming for dinner. But where will we find all of these things?
Oh, Bubbly. Let's ask Preet. She always knows.
Oh, good idea, Mittu. Pretty Preet, help us please.
Salam, Bubbly. How can I help you?
Ammi wants us to gather ande, amrood, aloo and aam, but we don't know where to find them. Can you please help us, Preet?
Of course, Bubbly. Now, according to my research, you can get ande from Murgi ka ghar, amrood and aam from the trees in Chirag Bagh, and aloo from Kisan Chachu in Chirag Khet.
Oh, nice.
But Preet, we don't know where these places are.
Don't worry, I'll guide you.
Is the Murgi house on the path that's Pila or the path that's Lal? Pila or Lal? Bilkul durust. It's on the Lal path. Murgi, can we please have 2 eggs? My Ammi has asked me to get them for ande aloo ka salan.
No, they are mine. I will not give them to you. Go away.
But what if we give you something in return?
Like what?
I don't know. What do you need?
Two of my choosy are very naughty and they keep running away. I am tired of looking for them. If you can find them, then I can give you 2 eggs.
We're on it, Murgi. Dost, do you see the choosy over here? Oh no, Dost. These are the chidye. Let's look somewhere else. Dost, do you see the choosy over here? Bilkul durust. These are do choosy. Ek and do. Come on friends, say with me. Ek and do.
Oh, thank you so much for finding my babies. Here are your eggs. Good luck for the rest of your quest.
Bubbly, we've got our ande. Now where do we go next?
Let's ask Preet. Pretty Preet, help us please.
We have gotten the ande. So next, we have to get the amrood from the amrood trees.
But where are the amrood trees, Preet?
Don't worry, Bubbly. I'll guide you.
Are the amrood trees on the path that's Neela or the path that's Hara? Neela or Hara? Bilkul durust, dost. It's on the Neela path. Hey, badmash bandar, give back my amrood. They're mine, not yours.
Nee, boo-boo. These are my amrood trees. You can't have any.
Bandar, please don't be like this. Can we exchange the amrood for something?
No! Go away, girl! Jao! Don't bother me! I'm already hungry as it is. Maybe if you had my favorite food, kele, then I might let you have a few amrood.
Bubbly, didn't Ammi pack a few kale in your bag for our trip?
Oh yes, here you go. Do kele.
For those bananas, you can have your amrood back.
We've got our amrood. Preet, where do we go next?
Next, you have to find aam. And good news, the aam trees are right next to the amrood trees. You don't even have to go anywhere.
Oh no, but we've already given the badmash bandar all our kele. How will we convince him to give us aam? Dost, if you want to find out how we got the aam from the badmash bandar, then join us in our next episode. Don't be sad that I'm leaving. You can buy our Urdu learning kits from the link in the description below. And keep having fun. Khuda Hafiz.